How to use Tickmill, how to register Tickmill account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Tickmill and also how to register on Tickmill account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tickmill, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tickmill, it is a global online trading broker that provides access to financial markets through a wide range of trading instruments, including forex, stock indices, commodities, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and CFDs, in which the company is known for its competitive pricing, low spreads, fast trade execution, and transparent trading conditions, making it a popular choice among both retail and institutional traders. And now to create an account, just click create account button, or alternatively you could also click to try to demo. But upon clicking sign up, all you need to do is to fill out the required information including the account type, personal details, and you can even download here the Tickmill on your mobile app if you want to. But in here, let's say we're going to try the demo account. So go back to this page and click try a demo button. Upon clicking on it, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information, which is this one, such as your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, and even your location. The platform in here, which is M5, I'm going to choose the account type, the retail type, and even the virtual deposit. For example, I'm going to enter $50,000. Going back in here, after signing in, you'll be able to receive an email. So all you need to do is simply click the button below, Trade on the Web Trader. By clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and all you need to do is simply start navigating this dashboard of Tickmill demo account. This is basically what the dashboard looks like. It will show us in here the trading history, or we can start moving, and as you can see, it is set as 1 minute or M1. You could also start navigating here to change this into the bar type, or even to candle, this area, and even this line chart. But I'm going to choose this candlestick. You could also change here the symbol on the right side panel. Upon searching on it, you can use either forex, CFD, cryptos, stocks, and many more. For example, stocks, we have here a variety of options to choose from. Let's say I'm going to choose here the cryptos instead of stock. I'm going to choose this Bitcoin to USD. This is basically the result, and you should be able to see here the updated version or result of trading. Now on the top panel also, you can change to see the changes from the candle every 1 minute, 5 minutes, which is M5, every 15 minutes, every 1 hour, H1, and many more. And if you also want to remove the market watch, you can simply click this option in here and click again if you want to appear it. Moving on, to add an indicator, just click this option or button in here, and you should be able to see a pop-up window, and it will show you a variety of indicator to choose from. You have here accelerator, alligator, average, but I'm going to choose the Bollinger Bands, and you could also navigate to customize it. So for example, I'm going to simply customize the color in here, or click add indicator, and it will automatically add this indicator, which is this one, in which it might help you as your guide in trading in here. So basically, these trading indicators are important because they help traders analyze the market conditions and make more informed trading decisions based on the data gathered than emotions. And also, the indicators are mathematically calculation derived from price, volume, and market activity to identify the trends. And now you can even add another kind of object or elements on the left side panels, including a shape, a line in here. All you need to do is simply click on it if you want to add here a gun line, gun fan, and many more. And now to start creating an order, just click create new order button below. Then you should be able to see here on the left side panel the market execution. All you need to do is simply enter the amount or volume, and even you can navigate to choose either to stop loss or either to choose sell by market or buy by market. However, as you can see, I'm not be able to trade in here since it is not available as I am connected with an investor password. But if you can trade in here, all you need to do is simply enter here the amount of volume you want to buy or sell of the specific Bitcoin in here. And you can even navigate to either add a stop loss and either add some other market execution in here. For example, again, I'm going to add here a line to see the changes, or the thread line in here using the element tools on the left side panel. But you can even add another one, which is horizontal line, horizontal array, and many more, in which some of these objects might help you also to see the changes in the previous time, or to see the historical data as you can see on this candle. Just like the indicators, it is also important since they assist traders in recognizing whether market is trending or ranging, spotting possible trend reversal, and confirming buy or sell signals. Again, you can even add here some of the shape, including circle. Upon clicking on it, it will automatically show you to add a circle in here. You can even navigate to change the location of it, or simply delete this one. And you can even add a context in here by clicking this T icon, or by clicking I icon, it will automatically hide all of the object added. So again, to start creating a new order or trading it, just click create new order in here, or alternatively you can click on the top panel as you can see, which is also show this button new order. And also in creating the market execution such as buy limit, you will only execute or only when the price falls to your specified level. So you could also set up that kind, and even here the sell limit to only execute when the price rises to your specified level, and best use when you expect a rally before the price falls. Or buy limit is best use when you expect a dip before the price rises, while the other market execution, including buy stop, is executed only when the price rises to your specified level, and it is best used when you expect an upward breakout, while the sell stop in here only when the price falls to your specified level will be executed, and it is best used when you expect a downward breakout. And when you start trading, you should be able to see below here the transaction history. Now moving on, you can even navigate here on the top left corner this menu, in which it will show in here your trading account, your chart settings to choose the trade orders, trade position, trade history in here, and even change this theme, the color templates, the algo trading, the economic calendar if you want to, and many more. Pretty much accessible in here. So overall, Tickmill is an important trading platform because it provides traders with a secure, efficient, and cost-effective environment for accessing global financial markets. It also offers a competitive spreads, low trading fees, and fast order execution, which help reduce trading costs and improve the overall trading experience. And also, Tickmill supports a popular platform such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, enabling traders to use advanced charting tools, technical indicators, automated trading system, and even risk management features. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Tickmill and how to register a Tickmill account. Thank you.